ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 31 of Narayanyam, Vamana Blessing Bali. प्रीत्या दैत्यस्तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वथापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयन्नञ्जलिं सञ्जगाद मतः किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वद त्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवन्नमविनिं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये. O invincible one, impressed by the sight of thy majestic form, the Asura king honored thee in every way, and with palms folded in salutation said, O youthful Brahmacharin, please say what you expect of me. Is it wealth or food, or house or land, or all of them? I shall give you whatever you ask for. तामक्षीणां बलिगिरमुपाकर्ण्यकारुण्यपूर्णो अप्यस्योत्सेकं शमयितुं न दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थ्यामासितत्वं सर्वं देहिति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न स्वास्यात्. Hearing the bold words of Bali, though full of kindness towards him, did desire to humble his pride. Extolling the generosity of Asuras, thou didst ask for earth measurable by 3 steps of thy feet. To ask for all his possessions would indeed have been ridiculous. विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बलिश्चोत्सवं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन यस्मादृपार्थ त्रिपदपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमदतर्दर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै. How is it that you beg of me, the master of the worlds, only for 3 feet of earth? You must be a fool to do so. Why not ask for the whole earth? So said Bali to thin overweening pride. It was because this pride, indicated by the above words, had to be eradicated before he became eligible for eternal peace, that he came to be subjected to abusive words and bondage of his failure to gift full 3 feet of land, however undeserving he might be of this in other respects. पादत्रयाय दिनमुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्ये दित्युक्ते अस्मिन् वरद भवते दातु कामे ततोऽयम् दैत्याचार्यस्तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनिः प्रेणातं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा भवाशे. If one is not satisfied with 3 feet of earth, one will not be satisfied even by gaining the 3 worlds. To thee who thus replied, Bali was about to pour out the pre-gift water oblation when thou, the indweller in all, for testing Bali's truthfulness and generosity, prompted Shukra, the guru of the Asuras, to warn Bali openly thus, Make not this gift to him. He is Vishnu, come on behalf of the gods to defeat you. याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामो अस्मि सोऽहं दास्यामयेव स्थिरमिति वदन काव्यशप्तोऽपि दैत्यः विन्ध्यावल्या निजदैतया दत्तपाद्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रापर्यतोय पूर्वम्. If it is the Lord that begs, I am indeed blessed. I shall certainly make the gift, saying so with determination, in spite of Shukra's curse, and having thigh feet washed by his queen Vindhyavali, he poured the pre-gift water and lo, made an offering of all his possessions to thee. निस्सन्देहं दितिकुलपतौ त्वयशेषार्पणं तद्व्यातन्वाने मुमुच ऋषयर्यः सामराः पुष्पवर्षम् दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजा मुच्चैरुचैरवृदविदीकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम्. When the Asura king made a gift of all his possessions to thee, without the least hesitation, the rishis and the devas showered a rain of flowers, and as the worlds looked on, thy form grew up higher and higher to cosmic dimensions. Tvatpadagram nijapadagadam pundarikoddhavo asau कुण्डयितोयैरसि च दपुनाद्यजलं विश्वलोकान् हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहूनिनृते खेचरैरुत्सवे अस्मिन् बेरिं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. When thy feet extended to his realm of Satyaloka, the lotus-born Brahma washed them with water from his water pot, and it was this water that became the holy Ganga that purifies the world. On that happy occasion, the sky-faring Vidyadharas and Gandharvas danced in ecstasy, while the devotee Jambavan traversed the world announcing the glad tidings by beat of drum. तावदैत्यास्तवनुमतिमृते भर्तुराद्रप्तविद्धा देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन कालात्मयायहं वसति पुरतो यद्वशास्त प्राग्जिताः स्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा ते यतवातालमापुः. Thereupon the Asuras opened hostilities with the Devas without the sanction of their master Bali, and had to suffer defeat at the hands of thy emissaries who were fighting on the side of the Devas. Bali then said to them, "Here stands opposed to us the spirit of time, by whose favor alone we obtained success in the past. Of what avail is your fight now?" Thus directed by Bali, the Asuras retreated to the nether world, the Patala. पाशैर्बधं पदगपतीना दैत्यमुचैरवादी स्तार्तीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि पादं मूर्धिन प्रणय भगवन्नित्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन् अनस्तवीतवाम. To the Asura king, who was by this time tied up with ropes by thy attendant Garuda, thou didst say loudly, "Are you not the master of all worlds? Where is the place for me to place the third step, as all the spheres have already been measured by 2 steps? Without the least tremor, Bali asked the Lord to place the third step on his own head, whereupon Prahlada, the grandfather of Bali, himself appeared by the side of Bali and began to sing thy praise. दर्पोचित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्य सिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैर् लोकस्तेस्तु त्रितीव विजयी वास्तवत्वं च पश्चात् मत्सायुज्यं भजन पुनरीत्यन्वग्रहणाबलिं तं विप्रैः सन्तानितमखवरः पाहि वातालयेश. O son of Diti, in order to curb your pride, I have done all this. You are blessed by your many good deeds. You will have sway over the realm known as Sutala, which excels even Swarga, the heaven. Afterwards, in another age, you will become Indra, and later still, you will attain to union with me, blessing Bali thus. Thou had the great sacrifice Vishwajit, which Bali had started, completed by the priests. O Lord of Guruvayur, deign to protect me. So the Canto 31 is completed. I'll be back with Canto 32 in the coming week. Till then, Namaskaram, Hari Om Tat Sat.